Hey guys, all right, fourth grade, this is our last lesson for chapter 3. I know, I feel like it's flown by too. We are getting right on through this math and you guys have been rocking all of it. All right, today 3.7, we're going to be talking about problem solving, and we're actually going to be using we're going to be using the methods that we've learned in chapter 3 to solve our problem today. All right, so an average of 74 reports with bird counts were turned in each day in June. An average of 89 were turned in each day in July. How many reports were turned in for both months? Okay, so like we've talked about in previous lessons, the most important thing that we need to make sure we do when we're talking about problem solving and word problems like this is we need to make sure that we look for that important information that we're going to pull out that's going to help us solve it. All right, so let's look and see what I find here. So I've got an average of 74 reports with bird counts were turned in each day in June. Is that important? Yes, I would say so. So 74 in June, okay? An average of 89 were turned in each day in July. Would you think that would be important? I agree. 89 reports turned in every day in July. Okay, very good. So the question that they're wanting us to answer is how many reports were turned in for both months? Both, not one, not the other, but both of them, okay? So we are going to be having a multi-step problem here in order to get our answer. Okay, they've given us a hint that June has 30 days and July has 31 days. So what would I need to do to figure out how many reports were turned in June? I agree. We're going to have to take the number of reports each day and multiply it by the number of days. So it says that June has 30 days. So I'm going to go ahead and write June right over here so we know we're messing with June, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and do 74 times 30. All right, very good. Now, when I look at this, it brings me back to lesson 1 of our chapter where we were multiplying by tens. Okay, so I want you to look closely at this. Do you see a quicker way that we could solve this? What if I write it like this? Do you see another way now? You're right. Yeah, we can do 74 times 3. Okay, we can do 74 times 3. So when I multiply, I'm going to put it right over here. When I multiply 74 times 3, help me out here. What do I multiply first? Very good. 3 times the 4, which is what? 12 is correct. The 2 goes down. Where's that 1 go? Right here? No, you're right. It's got to go up here, top of the 7. All right, then what do I multiply? Very good. 3 times 7 is next. 3 times 7 is what, boys and girls? 21 is correct. Plus 1 is, right, that would make it 22. All right, so 74 times 3 is 222. All right, so 74 times 3, 222. So is that right? So does that mean 222 reports in June? No. Well, why not? Oh, I forgot. Yeah, we've got to add the 0 right here at the end. Good catch. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put that 0 right here at the end. Okay, that's better. So in June, there was 2,220 reports turned in. All right, let's move on to July. What am I going to have to multiply together for July? Yeah, very good. I'm going to take the 89 reports each day, and I'm going to multiply it by the 31 days that July has. Very good. Okay, because I want us to have some more practice with this, I'm going to do this the turtle head way, okay? If you have not already gotten a piece of paper and pencil, which you should have because we're into chapter 3 and we know we need paper and pencil for math, go ahead and pause it, go get one, and then come on back so you can work this out with me so you get that extra practice too. All righty, so turtle head steps say, oh, look at that. I've got it right here for us. Isn't that convenient? All righty, you thought I was going to leave you high and dry. No way, guys. I'm always here to help. Okay, so the first thing we do is we've got to draw that turtle's head, okay? So I'm going to draw that turtle's head around that ones place and the whole top number, okay? Then I'm going to multiply by the number inside the turtle's neck. Okay, so I'm going to cover this up with my finger. First thing I do is what? Very good. 1 times 9, which is 9. Very good. Is there anything to regroup there? Nope, don't have to regroup. So got a single digit number. All right, then what do I multiply? Very good. 1 times 8, which is 8. Fantastic. All righty. Then I cross out any regroup numbers. Did I have any regroup numbers? Nope, so I can move on. Then I'm going to have to draw a collar. Where do I draw that collar, boys and girls? Very good. Right here over this 1, because I'm done with that number now. And then I lay an egg. That egg goes where? Under the 8 or under the 9? Very good. It goes right here under that 9. Comes straight down from the ones place. I'll lay that egg right there. Okay, then I'm going to multiply by the number outside of the turtle's neck. Okay, so that means I'm focusing on this 3 because I'm done with this 1. So what do I multiply by first? 3 times what? Very good. 3 times 9. Okay, and if y'all don't know the 9s trick, put your fingers up like this. Okay, 9 times 3. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put my third finger down. Okay, you see how many are on this side? 1, 2. So that's going to be 20. And then on this side, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9 times 3 is 27. Kind of cool, right? All righty, so the 7's going to go down and the 2's going to go right here, right? No, very good. The 2 is going to come up above the turtle head, because even though we didn't have any on the inside, we still want to get in that habit and make sure we're putting our regroup numbers where they belong, okay? Then what do I multiply? Very good. 3 times 8. What is 3 times 8? Very good. It is 24, so I'm going to put 20. Oh, no, whoa, calm down. Why can't I put 24 right here? Oh, okay, yeah, I forgot all about this 2 up here. So sorry. Okay, so 24 plus 2 is 26. Very good. So I'm going to put the 26 right here. And then what is my last step? Very good. I'm going to add them together. So 9 plus 0 is 9. Very good. 8 plus 7. Wonderful. 15. So 5 carry the 1. 1 plus 6. 7. Very good. And then 2 plus nothing is 2. Very good. So in July, there was 2,759 reports turned in. Okay, so am I done? No, but this has been a lot of work. Why am I not done? You're right. That's not what the question asked us. Our question was, how many reports were turned in for both months? Okay, so we can honestly, we can say that we figured it out for June and July, but they want the total for them combined. So when I use that word total, combined, both of them, what am I going to be doing next? Exactly. I'm going to have to add these 2 totals together. So I'm going to do 2,220 for June, and then 2,759 for July, and I'm going to add them up. Again, make sure that you're always lining these up correctly. 0 plus 9, very good, is 9. 2 plus 5, Awesome. It is 7. You guys are so smart. 2 plus 7. Very good. It is 9. And then 2 plus 2 is 4. Very good. So there were a total of 4,979 reports in June and July. All right, guys. Very good, very hard work today. You guys are so awesome. Tomorrow, you're going to have some review work, and then your test will be the day after that. All righty, guys. Make sure that when you're working on word problems that you always find that important information you're going to need, and always look at your question that you're trying to answer so you know what your end result, what you're working towards at the end. Okay? All right, guys, you are all so super smart. I am so proud of all the hard work you have been putting in. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time for some more math.